Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College, the channel where you are exposed to information and truth, as it relates to business opportunities. In this video, we will look at how to determine a legitimate online business from a scam. Where many of us work and shop online, it is essential to differentiate between a legitimate business and a scam. There are several factors to consider when evaluating an online business, including transparency and integrity. 1. Research the company. The first step in determining if an online business is legitimate is to research the company. Look for information about the company's history, mission statement, and leadership team. Legitimate businesses will have a professional-looking website with simple information about their products or services. 2. Check reviews. Check online for reviews and ratings from other customers. Look for reviews on reputable websites, such as Yelp, Trustpilot, or Google Reviews. A company with many positive reviews, which should be genuine reviews, is a good sign that they have an excellent reputation. 3. Look for transparency. A legitimate business should be transparent about its business practices and policies. Check their website for a clear return policy, shipping information, and contact details. Be wary of businesses that do not have a dedicated website with this information readily available. 4. Avoid unrealistic promises. Be cautious of online businesses that promise an unrealistic return on investment, also known as ROI. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Legitimate businesses will make realistic promises and be transparent about any potential risks or downsides. 5. Watch out for pressure tactics. Scammers may use pressure tactics, such as limited time offers or urgency, to get you to make a purchase quickly. A legitimate business will give you time to consider your options and make an informed decision. 6. Check for integrity. Check the business's social media platforms for customer interactions and their overall reputation. These platforms can be a YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and so on. A legitimate business will respond to customer complaints and concerns in a timely and respectful manner. Finally, separating a legitimate online business from a scam requires research, caution, and attention to detail. Be sure to check reviews, look for transparency, avoid unrealistic promises and pressure tactics, and check for integrity. By doing so, you can protect yourself and make informed financial decisions when shopping or doing business online. Thank you for watching. If you like this information, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Inspiration College YouTube channel for more inspiring videos. Adios.